The NRM Electoral Commission is in preparation to conduct residual election, filling gaps for LOC1 chairpersons. You remember that for LOC1, we had elections on 6th May 2025. Since then, some members have died or passed on, to be polite. Some members have abdicated, have left our party, and some members have got payable jobs. This is therefore to notify all NRM party members interested in the above election to prepare accordingly. And once you are preparing accordingly, be mindful of the law.
Ayino kubanga takola mu government betwita public servant. Ayino kubanga tali mu maje. Sawa zino ba mu prison ziyo mu police. Ayina kubanga si member wa parliament w'olukiiko lwa Uganda olwa 12.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.